Hi, my name is Martin Wallman. I'm the Global Portfolio Manager Minetrucks at Epiroc. Today I would like to explore together with you our new updated Minetruck MT65 S. An underground Minetruck that not only has increased speed, which increases productivity but also improved reliability and safety. Let us meet this newly updated Minetruck and Daniel Sandström, Global Product Manager Minetruck.
There are many improvements, one example being the increase in speed. Martin, let's have a look at some of the changes. We have updated the axle ratio, we have also updated the transmission, and we've also optimized the gear selection.
The gear shifting will always take place at the right time, both during upshifting and downshifting. The Minetruck MT65 S has now an even more powerful engine than the previous configuration, and new software that helps the operator control the speed going downhill.
All these new updates contribute not only to a 10% increased speed going up the ramp, but also 18% going downhill. Of course, this depends on your application. If we take an example, we run the truck for 6.8 kilometers a 12-hour shift. The new Minetruck MT65 S can actually bring 2 additional rounds per shift, meaning an extra 130 ton, 2 extra boxes.
Thanks to the optimized drivetrain and the engine being able to operate more of the time in a sweet spot, the speed will increase and the fuel consumption will be reduced by up to 5% or even more in some cases.
We have been monitoring the feedback we receive from our customers and our Certec system, with the goal to reduce the need for maintenance. Some of the drivetrain components have now extended life. The updated Minetruck MT65 S also comes with a completely new electrical system and more protected component location.
And remember, Martin, I spoke to you about the newly developed software optimizing productivity. This also prevents the machine from overspeeding, allowing the operator to utilize it at its full potential. We have Minetrucks with more than 36,000 hours of operation. It will be exciting to follow the new Minetruck MT65 S during its life cycle.
Safety is our main focus in Epiroc when developing all our machines, where the Minetruck MT65 S does not come short. It is indeed the benchmark in safety for Minetrucks.
We have developed a product that's not only increasing the safety for the operator, but for the whole operation, including the service routines.
One important feature is safety by smartness, meaning that the intelligent system of the machine, known as Rig Control System or RCS, has different functionalities that increases safety. For example, door open brake apply. What this function does is to make the machine stop if the operator door is open while driving.
So Martin, what do you think about our new updated Minetruck MT65 S?
Well, combining productivity, reliability and safety while having the highest payload capacity in the segment. This powerhouse is the obvious choice for smart, productive and cost-efficient underground material haulage operation.